Our Hiligaynon word for the day is 𝗎𝗓𝗓. 𝗎𝗓𝗓. 𝗎𝗓𝗓 means to fall or drop down unnoticed, fall out of a pocket, etc. Or it can also mean to get lost. It also means to lose, drop, let fall down, or throw away. Let us have the following sample sentences. Nawigitan siya sang 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗧 sa simbahan. She dropped her necklace in church without noticing it. Nawigitan siya sang 𝗖𝗢𝗡𝗢𝗢𝗧 sa simbahan. Kay sin-o bala ang panyo nga nawigit diri? Whose is the handkerchief that has been dropped here? Kay sin-o bala ang panyo nga nawigit diri? Ginuwigit sang babayi ang panyo nga iya kinawat sang pagkakita niya nga nagapadulong sa iya ang tag-iya. The woman dropped the stolen handkerchief when she noticed that the owner was approaching her. Ginuwigit sang babayi ang panyo nga iya kinawat sang pagkakita niya nga nagapadulong sa iya ang tag-iya. Andaman mugid ang imo kulintas kag pulseras, agud dili kasi na mawigitan. Be very careful with your necklace and bracelet or you may lose them. Andaman mugid ang imo kulintas kag pulseras, agud dili kasi na mawigitan. And that is all about our Hiligaynon word for the day, 𝗎𝗓𝗓. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.